Welcome to ClearTask. In this video, we will adjust page border margins in Microsoft Word so your borders align perfectly with your text rather than sitting at the very edge of the document. Begin by adjusting your standard page margins. Click on the Layout tab at the top of your screen and open the Page Setup menu. Under the Margin section, set your desired spacing. For example, you can set a left margin of 2 inches. Click OK and your text will shift to reflect this new layout. Next, add the actual border. Navigate to the Design tab and click on Page Borders on the far right. Choose your preferred style, such as a standard box border, and select the line width. If you apply the border right now, you will notice it stays at the extreme edges of the page, completely ignoring the custom margin you just created. To fix this alignment, open the Page Borders menu again and click on the Options button. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Measure From. By default, this is set to edge of page. Change this setting to text. Click OK, and then click OK one more time to apply the changes. Your page border will instantly snap inward, perfectly matching your custom text margins. That is all it takes to control border spacing in Word. Thank you for watching ClearTask. Subscribe for more direct software solutions.